Hello superstars, welcome kids to the Kiddies World, जहां learning होती है full on fun के साथ। आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक मजेदार और important grammar topic, singular और plural nouns, यानी जब कोई चीज एक हो और जब वही चीज ज्यादा हो जाए। Let's begin our lesson. Look closely, kids. We have 3 pictures here. Your job is to tell if there is one thing or many things in each picture. Ready? Let's go. This is a picture of one tree. Only one. So we say one. That's a singular noun. Wow, look at this one. There are many trees. So we say many. That's a plural noun. And what's this? It's just one cap. So we write one. Yes, another singular noun. Let's see some more examples. When the naming words refer to a single quantity, as shown in the images above, it is said to be a singular noun. When naming words refer to more than one quantity, it is said to be a plural noun. When we talk about naming words, we also talk about their number. We have learnt that by adding s to the naming words, we can show that there is more than one of the same kind. We can form plurals of nouns ending in s, ch, sh, x, z, and o by adding an es in the end. Let's see some examples. Bus, buses. Bench, benches. Brush, brushes. Box, boxes. Quiz, quizzes. Potato, potatoes. Activity time. Let's do this activity. Look at these words. We have to put them into 2 groups. Singular, meaning just one, and plural, meaning more than one. Let's start sorting. First, let's find a singular nouns. Tomato, bat, leaf, pillow, shoe, rose. All these mean just one thing, so they're singular nouns. Now, let's find the plural nouns. Pens, bottles, foxes, erasers, mangoes, cookies. They mean more than one, so they're plural nouns. Some nouns don't just take an s or es to become plural. Let's see what happens when they end in f or fe. Look here. Leaf becomes leaves. Wolf becomes wolves. Life becomes lives. And now, here come the most mischievous nouns. They don't follow any rule at all. They're called irregular plurals. Man, men, child, children, foot, feet, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth. Wow, they change completely, like magic words. Now, we're going to be little grammar detectives. Let's find out what's wrong in these sentences. The mango are very juicy? Wait a minute. Mango is only one, right? So we should use is, not are. So the correct sentence is, the mango is very juicy. There are 5 eggs in that basket. Only one is an egg, but there are 5, so we say eggs with an S. So the correct sentence is, there are 5 eggs in that basket. She fell down and badly injured her left feet. Oops, feet means both, but she hurt only one leg. 1 foot is foot. 2 is feet. So here we say foot. So the correct sentence is, she fell down and badly injured her left foot. Great job, बच्चों! आज की लर्निंग जर्नी थी फुल ऑन फन। लाइक करना ना भूलो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में होती है लर्निंग और मस्ती। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम एक और ऑसम टॉपिक के साथ। बाय बाय बच्चों, सीखते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो।